Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome back to the coffee machine. It's been a hot minute, so let's finally finish it and let's make some good, tasty, delicious coffee. As many of you have known, many ions ago, I purchased something for cheap. When I say cheap, I mean cheap. Now, a few of you might remember this one, or if you don't, then this is Breville coffee maker, coffee machine, coffee something, yes. So we have all the stuff in, and here is the extra bits and all of that fun stuff what I have to assemble. So what the situation is, if you haven't seen the previous videos, I took this all apart. One hose was broken and this at the back was broken too. I'll show you in a second. It's all off. As you know, we had a leak here, right here, because of the breakage. So it's absolutely fine. Everything's working here, everything working there, perfectly fine. Now let me undo what I did. Okay, let's see, what did I do here? Did I put any screws back in? Yes, I put screws back in. So let me get back to you once this is pulled apart. Now then, we gotten this far. As you remember, we changed this hose because it was leaking. And now, what broke is, as you can see right here, right there. See, this is missing. We can move this in and out. So basically here, the screw broke right there. So what you need to do is take this cap off, drill the screw, put a different kind of screw that holds this tab down onto the hose here, that it holds close to the head. That's it, done. That's all of it. So basically that's our mission for today. Let me undo these. I've done them many times on the video, so I'm gonna do it off the camera. Everything's clean, and now we can start drilling this small thing, this thing there. Okay, now, so I tapped and drilled and tapped actually. So you can see there's a hole. It's not centered, but it's better than nothing. Now let me clean all this up and then I'll come back to you. Now then, everything's cleaned up. All this is clean, as you can see. No more shards, nothing like that. So now we need to find a bolt for that hole. I know it's crooked, it should be there, just like a 2 mil that way. But we can drill this hole a bit bigger and it will just do fine. Now, metric bolts and washers. This maybe? This is the smallest one I have, otherwise I need to pilgrimage. Spot on. So we can shorten this one. So the bolt is cut. As you can see, it's tiny. Now we can assemble this all. Put everything there where it should be and screw the bolt down and test it. Once the test is successful, there is no leaks from here, no leaks from there, no, this hose explodes out and goes, all should be good. And then this project, coffee machine for almost free, will be complete. And it was half a year. All done, fixed, good to go, ready to be tested. Now let's test it, as this is fixed now. This is fixed. That's it's time for the big test. I have here filtered water. I have here cup. Should be able to put the cup down, and let's test it as it is. I don't want to assemble this fully, test it, and it's still leaking. Oh, I hear ya. We hear ya. What's up, fella? What? From where? Why? It's heating up, but it's... Is that good? Is that bad? I can smell something. Did you mess something else up? Oh, it's hot. Oh. It stopped. So basically we put this in and make ourselves a cup of coffee. Eh. Oh. Water is going there. Hey! Any leaks? This is hot. Oh, ah, that's hot. That's really hot. That's why this is here. Phew, that's hot. That was like, oh, I can do it. I can do it. Nope. Okay, steam. Steam should be ready now. Perfect. I approve. Now I'll do on speed up how I assemble this all, and then we're gonna end this because this is an epic journey and it deserves celebration. And voila! It went from a cardboard box of being broken, unwanted, not used, fully done and sold on eBay for cheap price. And now it will go into a new kitchen and we'll make coffee till the ends, till it breaks again, and then we come back from it. Thank you so much for joining me on this private project. I know it's not a Mazda video, and many of you like Mazda videos, but this is my own private project, which is more for my personal growth. Because to do only cars, it's a bolt-on, bolt-off job, and you know how it goes. But this is something new. You'll learn something new. I never knew what was in the coffee machine, but now I know. And knowledge weighs more and costs more than the drill bits, the 5 pounds or how much for I got this machine, and the tools. So I learned new skills, have new tools, and if next time I see a coffee machine like this and it's leaking from the inside, I will have a suspicious feeling that I know what it is. So thank you so much for joining me on the private adventure, private project, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.